Hello viewer and welcome back to the channel. As always, lots going on the bench. Recently I completed a commission build, and in that build I used my tweezers many times over, and it occurred to me that my tweezers were losing their grippiness and their springiness. And where do we go next? Well, it's time for another one of those dreaded product reviews. So for £7 sterling, just under £6.99 actually here in the UK, through Amazon, I ordered the Revell tweezer set. Let's have a look. We get 3 items. Let's see what they're made of. So in the pack, as I say, 3 sets of tweezers. The 2 on the right hand side there, they're standard tweezers. Nothing special about those, but they work quite well. They do feel quite good in the hand. A straight pair and an angled pair. And for somebody who produces a lot of their own decals, when it comes to applying them, they're going to be absolutely fine. On the left hand side, we've got a reverse pair of tweezers. So they're closed automatically, and when we press the trigger, they open. And they feel quite good as well. I don't know how well they're going to fare, but let's have a look. And as we try them over the next few months with the exhibition build that's going on here on the channel, we'll let you know the results. But for £7, I mean, you can't really go wrong, can you? If you're into scale model making, stand by, because we've got a few things on the horizon in the immediate future. Not just a couple of more product reviews, but also the exhibition build, and it's all taking shape. Hit subscribe, hit the bell and select all to make sure you're fully up to date with the projects here on St. Blazey Model World. Bye for now.